Hi, my name is Gaia and I'm a recent graduate from NTU. When you're a student, navigating university can be tricky at times, and it's really important for you to be there for your friends in times of need. However, it can sometimes be really difficult in knowing what to say or how to support them. If you struggle with this, just know that this is completely normal, and this is why you should come along to one of our Look After Your Mates workshops around here at NTU. Our interactive online workshop covers practical tips on how to support a mate you're worried about, such as spotting the warning signs, what to say to them, and signposting them to the right services. It will also equip you with the knowledge and confidence on how to support your own mental health and set boundaries. This free training is for all students, whether you have a friend who's struggling or not. However, 1 in 4 of us will experience mental health issues at some point in our lives, so having these skills will really benefit you. Plus, this is nationally recognised training, so it will look amazing on your CV. So if this sounds like something that interests you, make sure to DM us at NTU Student Services or email healthyntu@ntu.ac.uk. Thank you!